Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail. Here's a close detail of the PSEQT 10-inch LED light bar assembly that we're going to connect to a 12-volt battery, and check out its features. Includes 4-color wiring specifically for brake lighting and turn signaling. Includes hardware with flush plugs so you can cover your screw. This kit includes 2 multifunctional LED light bars. The LED's enclosure is waterproof. Each light bar has 15 red LEDs and 15 yellow LEDs. This newer version has cutout slots for flush mounting. Double-sided sticky back tape is not included. Be sure to have a look at the results on my motorcycle at the end. Now let's get a good closer view of the front of the face and have a look at the detail of the LEDs. Shortly we're going to be going ahead and connecting it to a 12-volt battery to see how it looks when we turn it on using the brake light and the turn signal. Here's the positive terminal and the negative terminal on the battery. Red is the brake light or stop light, white is the tail light or running light, yellow is the sequential turn signal light, the black is negative, which is the ground. I first connected the black wire to the negative on the battery. I'll connect the red to check out the brake light, which is the stop light. We'll be looking at each light from the face and also from the side. Next we'll take the white wire and check out the tail light or the running light. This should be less bright than using the brake light, which was using the red wire. Here we'll be looking at it from the sides. Now let's jump to the yellow turn signals. And then we'll see how these look from the side as well. Next we're going to look at the hardware. I'm going to actually demonstrate on adding the flush caps on how it looks when it's flushed to the light bar. I'm excited to share my results on my motorcycle. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.